ॐ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, simple meaning, chapter 1, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, shloka number 7. अस्माकन्त विशिष्टाये तान्निबोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते. We saw through the narration of Sanjaya, that is Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya is telling that Duryodhana is speaking to Acharya Dronacharya. So he is first in the shloka number 3 to 6. So he is explaining or describing the army of the Pandavas and who are the warriors present there. Now, in this shloka and the next few shlokas, he is describing his own army. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tan nibodha dvijottama nayakaha mama sainyasya sanyartham tan bravimi te. Hey Dvijottama, he is addressing Dronacharya as Dvijottama, that is Brahmanottama, that is one who is born in the Brahmana, as a Brahmana, the twice born. So Dvijottama. Ye Vishishtaha, those who are Vishishtaha, distinguished. Mama Sainyasya, Mama, my, Sainyasya, of the army, Nayakaha, the leaders, Tan Nibodha, Te, Tan, them, Nibodha, no, Te, Sanyartham, for your information. Tan Bravimi, Tan, them, Bravimi, I relate. About them I am going to tell. So, Asmakanta Vishishtaye Tan Nibodha Dvijottama. Among Asmakam, among our side, in the midst of our side, amongst ourselves, those who are distinguished experts, they are great warriors, Tan Nibodha Dvijottama. About them, please you know, oh, the twice born, the best of the twice born. Dvija means the twice born, the Brahmana, and Uttama, best of them. Nayakaha mama sainyasya, those who are the leaders, mama, in my, mama, my, sainyasya, of the army, sanyarthantan bravimite. For your information, I will relate. So, the simple meaning will be, here also, O best of the twice born, the names of those who are distinguished amongst ourselves, the leaders of my army, these I relate to you for your information. So, in the next shloka, Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिर्जयद्रथः. भवान् भीष्मः च कर्णः च. Ch means and. Bhishma cha, Bhishma and, Karna cha and, Kripa cha, Samitinjayah, Ashwathama, Vikarnaha cha, Saumadattihi, Jayadratha. In the first place, he says Bhavan. Bhavan means up, yourselves. So yourself, first he gives that attention, priority to yourself. Then Bhishma. Bhishma and Karna, Kripa, that is Kripacharya, Samitinjaya, Ashwathama, Ashwathama the son of Dronacharya, Vikarna, Saumadatti, Jayadratha. So these are the great warriors amongst ourselves. So in the previous shloka, addressing him as Dvijottama, is reminding that generally a Brahmana will be a peace-loving person. But in the previous shlokas, he has explained who are there, Dhrishtadyumnu, etc., by saying that they are your enemy's son and they are there to defeat us, kill you. He is there to kill you. So now don't be a peace-loving person, but you have to take the responsibility and wage a war on them. So indirectly he is hinting at it by addressing him Dvijottama. And here in this shloka, Bhavan, so he is giving the top priority to him even before Bhishma. So this is the thing. Yourself and Bhishma and Karna and Kripa, the victorious in war. Ashwathama and Vikarna and Jayadratha, and the son of Somadatta, that is Saumadatti. So this is a way of flattering Drona by mentioning his name even before Bhishma. And Kripacharya also, he is Drona's brother-in-law, and also he is mentioning his son's Ashwathama's name also. And then in the next shloka, अन्ये च बहवः शूरा मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. So after describing the Pandavas, who are the great warriors there, here also he is mentioning, including yourself and there Bhishma, like, and other people are there. Not only that, there are Anne Bahavaha Shura. There are many great warriors, Bahavaha, many, Shuraha, the great heroes, the warriors, Madarthe Takta Jivitaha, those who are ready for Madarthe, for me, for my sake, Takta Jivitaha, they are ready, determined to lay down their life. And they are Nana Shastra Praharanaha, means they are having diverse weapons and missiles. They are expert, specialized in using all these diverse weapons and missiles, the archery and etc. Sarve, all, Yuddha Visharadaha, well skilled in fight. Nana Shastra Praranaha means having diverse weapons and missiles. Sarve Yuddha Visharadaha, Sarve all Yuddha Visharadaha, well skilled in fight. Annecha, and there are other, Bahavaha already told, Bahava Shuraha. So there are many, the Shuraha, the heroes are there, Santi. So if we say the simple meaning together, and many other heroes also well skilled in fight and armed with many kinds of weapons are here, determined to lay down their lives for my sake. And now he compares his army with that of the Pandavas' army in the next shloka. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptam tvidame balam bhimabhirakshitam. Aparyaptam, unlimited, tad asmakam balam, that our asmakam, our balam, the power, that is army here, balam is army. Bhishma bhirakshitam, that is which is defended by Bhishma. Paryaptam tu idam etesham balam, and limited is their balam, the power, that is army. Army is the power here, force. Bhima bhirakshitam, defended by Bhima. So that means Pandavas' army is limited, whereas our army is very big and it's unlimited. It is said that the Pandavas had 7 Akshohini Sainya and Sena army, and Kauravas had 11 Akshohini Sena. So whatever the number may be, but this is the Kauravas had the huge army. So that's what here Duryodhana is mentioning. This our army defended by Bhishma is impossible to be counted, that is unlimited. But that army of theirs defended by Bhima is easy to be numbered, that is limited. So in this way he is encouraging Drona to battle against the Pandavas, his very dear disciples. So in the beginning like this, about the situation of the war itself will be described. So now today we will stop here. So we will continue in the next video. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.